How to change the date and time on iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap General. Next, tap Date and Time. By default, Set Automatically may be turned on. If you want your iPhone to automatically set the correct date and time, you can leave this option enabled. If you want to change the date and time manually, turn Set Automatically off. You can now tap the time zone to select your location. To change the date, tap the date shown below the time zone and select the date you want. To change the time, tap the time and use the scroll wheels to set the correct hour, minute, and AM or PM. You can also turn on 24-hour time if you prefer the 24-hour clock format. And that's it. This is how you can change the date and time on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.